Hi there friends, I have an idea for a new bracelet and we are going to be actually designing the bracelet. I'm not sure of the end result, so these are going to be a series of videos, so you're not going to be able to see the bracelet until it's done. I have a good feedback on my freeform peyote video, so that's what we're going to be doing. So I have several ideas, not sure what's gonna work and what's not. I decide to share the way that I design. So I think most of my videos, if I start making videos again, are going to be while I design due to lack of time. I don't have a lot of time to spend. So I work a lot on my projects, on my t-shirts, on stickers, on all the things that I do. I'm not comfortable doing live tutorials. The only time I can do it is like if I share with you what I'm working on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So we are going to be working on a free form peyote, and we are going to be grabbing whatever beads we can pick up, because this is going to be a different project. So I have a bunch of beads right here, and these beads are for projects that I have. A lot of times you mix your beads and you don't have time to put them back, so this is what we're gonna be using. Okay, so I don't know what I'm making. I'm going to make a bracelet. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, so if you don't like this kind of videos, I will recommend you to don't watch it. I'm not doing anything to get bad comments or stuff. This is the way I design, and this is what I'm going to be sharing with you. So if you don't think you like something like this, well, I don't know what to tell you. This is the bits that I grabbed, and as you can see, I didn't choose anything. So whatever I picked up, that's what I got. So I have these 8 O's, and these are like a mix. I have all these beads that I've been leaving like from projects, and I got these other 2 that are mixed. I don't want to be separating the beads, so that's how I got with the idea for this project. I'm going to pick up at 8O just so I can balance it on the other side. We are going to skip the first one and we are going to sew through the second one. So this is free form, okay? So we're gonna add whatever we want to add. You don't have to do what I'm doing. This is just an idea. We're not gonna worry about the shape or anything. We're just gonna keep going. I want to add this bead. I don't even know what kind of bead is this. Well, actually this is a cream bead, so we're not gonna use this one. Let's add this one right here. Okay, so skip one, and if you don't know how to make peyote, I recommend to watch another video. This is not gonna be a tutorial on how you're gonna be making the peyote. It's just we are designing a bracelet. So I encourage you that if you don't have any experience with this, go find a tutorial so you can learn the stitch first. And we're skipping one. Let's continue. I'm gonna add one of this, and we are going to skip the 8. And we are going to grab another one. Let's see. Let's grab this. And then we're going to sew the 8. Really quick. I'm going to grab the tail and I'm going to sew a bead through the tail. Pick up this one. I'm gonna skip one. So we have our first row. And right now I don't really care where the beads are. I just want to have something to start. I'm going to grab 180, and my thread is exiting out of this one. I'm going to sew through the next one that is sticking out. And please don't tell me I'm covering the work. I know I am. I had to hold it. So right now I'm going to add 5. So just pick up random 2. I don't want all the same color. There you go. 5. And I'm gonna sew through this. So I'm gonna skip 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is what you should have. Right here, I feel like I want to pick up 5 more. And you know what I feel like doing? I feel like going back through the same bead. Okay? There's no rules on this. Don't be afraid to just try something different and just let your mind direct you on this. Like, if it's ugly, you undo it. If you love it, you're not gonna know until you try. So we are exiting from this one down here. I feel like grabbing us one of now. Let me grab a purple one, and I'm going to sew through the yellow one right here, and let's see what happens. And also, if you don't like people that talks, this is not a video for you, because mainly I'm going to be talking, or trying at least to talk. So I grab another one, and you know what, I'm gonna start adding small ones because it kind of like starting to get too wide, and I don't want that. Right here I want to add a small one as well. I want to grab 5, and I want smaller ones. I'm going to be sewing through the same bead, okay? Like working on a triangle weave. Looks good, but I kind of want to push them in to get on top of here. So I'm going to sew up through the one, and if I don't like it, I just undo it and start all over. I want that one to be on top, and I'm going to skip these 2, and I'm going to sew through this one. So let's see what that gives us. See, that kind of put us right here with like a way to start our I don't know, another stitch. Do you see? This is so much fun. I love this. And right now I feel like adding this black 6/0 that I have right here. Or we can even make you know what we're gonna do? I have an idea. So we are exiting out of this one. We are going to grab this one. This is a 6/0, and we are going to sew up through these 2. And you'll see what I'm going to do. I just love when I start designing because I don't really have an idea what am I gonna do, and then at the end something pretty comes out. So see. And for this type of bracelet, if you get spaces or holes, whatever, that's good. It's not bad. So we are going to sew up through this one, and I'm going to grab 2 more, and I'm gonna grab 2 of these ones lilacs that I have right here. And we're going to sew a thread. The thread is exiting out of this side, okay? So we're going to sew back through that one, and you see what we're gonna have there. We have a little flower. Isn't that amazing? So we are going to sew down through one right here. Let's see. And I feel like I should grab this crystal that I have right here. And I don't have many crystals in here, so I'm going to sew through these three. And that fits perfect right there. So what I feel I want to do is I'm going to grab another small one and sew through this one right here. And I don't know how long it's been because I want to keep these tutorials like in 15 minutes. I'm going to grab 5 more. And we want to do the same thing we did over here. So we're going to sew through that one. You know what? For this one, I actually gonna sew through this one because I'm not liking what I'm seeing right there. I feel like it's too loose. So, okay, that's better. So let's see what we have so far. I mean, this is gonna be like kind of weird, but okay. So we're gonna grab one blue, one purple, purples, one blue, 2 purples, and 1 blue. Oops. And we are going to grab this pink and this red. Okay. And we are going to skip everything and we are going to sew all the way up here. I kind of want to have this crystal in here. And I'm going to get this like this. And we're gonna go like that. There you go. It's kind of cute. So we're gonna flip around and we are going to get a small one like a 15-0. And I wanna pink, purple. Let me see. Oops. I'm gonna take this Delica. And I'm going to exit. I'm exiting out of this one. I'm gonna sew through this one. Okay. Well, let's keep going. So we're gonna sew through the crystal. And since I'm out of the crystal, I want to add like 6 beads. Let's add 6 beads. And you know what? They're gonna be all 11 O's. We are exiting out of this side of the crystal. We are going to sew through the same crystal. And you want to be careful when you sewing through the crystals. You don't want to mess up your work. I kinda wanna sew through this one right here. I have a view right here, and I'm going to sew through here. Two. I don't know if this is gonna fit right there. Let's see. Yep, we're just gonna leave it like that. Isn't it this cute? It's kind of weird though. So we are going to add some peyote in here. So we are going to pick one, skip one, sew through the next one.